everyone, my name is Eid Maraka. I'm a technical pre-sales engineer of the Power Electronics department at Canadian Solar. We are the only one of the top 5 PV manufacturers that not only produce high-quality PV modules, but we also design and manufacture our own solar inverters. The portfolio of inverters that we have cover the whole range, from small rooftops up to big utility-scale power plants. In this video, I will introduce you to the range of the C&I inverters. Let's start with the smallest one, the 15 to 25 kilowatt inverter. It's a small, compact inverter that comes with 2 MPPTs and allows currents of up to 32 amps per MPPT. Moving to the next one, we can see the inverter of the 40, 50, and 60 kilowatts. It comes with up to 5 MPPTs and allows currents of up to 32 amps per MPPT. It is worth noting that you can connect up to 2 strings per each MPPT. And now we're going to see the biggest one of this C&I inverters, the 100, 110, and 120 kilowatt inverter. This inverter in particular even adds more flexibility to your design. Why? Because it comes in 2 versions. Version A, that comes with 6 MPPTs and allows currents of up to 40 amps per MPPT. And then version B, that comes with 9 MPPTs and allows currents of up to 32 amps per MPPT. All those inverters come with a DC to AC ratio of 1.5 and have an optimized power derating above 45 degrees, which maximizes your energy yield and ensures a better return on your investment. Also, for all inverters of the C&I family, we provide you with an outstanding warranty of 10 years. That's because we care about customer satisfaction and product quality.